you're doing a one-step job here to get rid of all the paint that's on the house, right?
Close to one step, two steps really. We're putting a little chlorine in the water to kill the mold and mildew.
Chlorine?
To kill mold and mildew.
So is that in what you're doing right now?
That was earlier this morning when we...
so there's a first wash that you do within the place?
Yes.
And that just gets rid of the surface grunge?
Right.
Okay. But now the washing that you're doing is really removing everything right down to this beautiful old Florida wood, which I think is cypress. I'm not 100% sure, but it kind of looks like cypress, especially when you look at the grain along here. Looks very much like cypress. And I'm looking at some of this paint up here, Kip, and I'm seeing probably the original color that the builder first put on it. It's kind of like a tan.
Right. This Florida tan that we have here is one of probably 4 or 5 coats.
Very pretty. Now this is probably oil-based, probably had lead in it, right?
Years ago, yes.
So you do have tarps down everywhere?
Yes.
Along the perimeter of the
and we clean it up when we get done as well.
Okay. How much pressure is going out of this gun?
This one here is 3,000 pounds of pressure at 4 gallons a minute.
Wow.
Want to take a look?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what'll that do if you just push
Not
it?
too much. It removes the dirt that we have on here, but it really doesn't remove enough of the paint that we want, so we have a little toy over here called a whirlybird that removes 85% of the paint.
Let's use the whirlybird. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a different type of nozzle.
It's a 0-degree nozzle.
So it's really going to concentrate kind of like a jet spray on there?
Yes, this one here has 25 degrees of angle. This has 0 degrees of angle, but goes in a 360-degree pattern.
Now the paint on this side of the house is loose there, but in other places it's not quite as loose, and you've already washed it a little bit.
Right.
And now with this super duper nozzle, you're just going to get it all right down to bare, huh?
Yes, sir. We'll stand back.
We'll stand back and watch, yeah.